Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Nuggs Crypto. Nuggs is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. But who is really behind Nuggs Crypto? And how do you send BTC from Nuggs? In this video, I'm going to answer these questions and more. I'll also show you how to set up a Nuggs account and how to make a trade. So let's get started. Who is really behind Nuggs Crypto? Nuggs Crypto is a Canadian company that was founded in 2017. The company is led by CEO and co-founder Angela Yi. Yi is a former investment banker who has worked at Goldman Sachs and Credit Suisse. Nuggs Crypto is backed by a number of high-profile investors, including Tiger Global, Lightspeed Venture Partners, and Andreessen Horowitz. How to send BTC from Nuggs? Sending BTC from Nuggs is easy. Here are the steps. Log into your Nuggs account. Click on the Send button. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Your BTC will be sent to the wallet you specified. When sending BTC from Nuggs, be sure to double-check the address of the wallet you are sending to. It can take up to 30 minutes for your BTC to be sent to the wallet you specified. Nuggs charges a fee for sending BTC. The fee will vary depending on the amount of BTC you are sending. Nuggs Crypto is a great platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. The company is backed by a number of high-profile investors and has a strong team in place. Sending BTC from Nuggs is easy and secure. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.